Tired of a cluttered Jira filter list you can't clean up? Learn exactly how to delete any filter in under 30 seconds. We'll walk through finding the filter, accessing the delete option, and confirming removal. Let's go. So you're logged into your Jira account, and you're staring at a filter list that's honestly a bit of a mess. Maybe there are filters from old projects, test filters you created ages ago, or ones that just don't make sense anymore. I've been there. And the first thing you want to do is open up your Jira and get to that main dashboard. Just go ahead and log in like you normally would. Now, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see the sidebar with all your main navigation options. Go ahead and click on Filters. This is going to pull up the full list of every filter you've saved or that's been shared with you. And this is exactly where we need to be to start cleaning things up. All right, so here's the list. It might be long, it might be short, but you're looking for the specific filter you want to get rid of. Take your time and scan through. Once you've identified the one you want to delete, just hover your mouse over it. Don't click yet, just hover. You'll see the row highlight a little, which is your cue that you're in the right spot. When you hover over that filter, you'll notice some icons appear on the far right side of that row. One of them is going to be 3 little dots, like a vertical ellipsis. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This opens up a small drop-down menu with all the actions you can take for that specific filter. And here's the really important part. This is where that elusive delete option lives. From that drop-down menu, look for the option that says Delete Filter. It's usually near the bottom, and it might be in red or have a trash can icon next to it. Click on that option. Now, Jira is going to ask you if you're absolutely sure. It'll pop up a little confirmation window that says something like, "Are you sure you want to delete this filter?" And it'll usually show you the filter name so you can double check. This is your last chance to change your mind. Click the delete button in that confirmation window. And just like that, it's gone. The filter is removed from your list, and you're left with a much cleaner, more organized view. I've tested this process across different Jira versions, and it's always the same straightforward flow. So that's it. You've gone from a cluttered filter list to a clean, organized one, with only the filters you actually need. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up. And if you've got other Jira questions you'd like me to cover, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching.